Ever wondered how to disable your laptop's touchpad in Windows 11? Well, you're in the right place. We will be exploring two straightforward methods, utilizing the Settings app and managing through the Device Manager. This video will guide you through both methods step by step. First, we will look at how to disable the touchpad using the Settings app. Kick things off by opening Settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the Settings gear icon, or with a swift press of Win+1 on your keyboard. Next, navigate to Devices in the Settings window. On the left sidebar, you'll find and select Touchpad. Within this section, there's a handy option to toggle your touchpad on or off. Simply switch it to the off position. And that's how you can easily disable the touchpad using the Settings app. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves using the Device Manager. Start by right-clicking on the Start menu button and selecting Device Manager from the drop-down menu. Inside the Device Manager window, you'll need to expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices category. You'll find the touchpad device listed under this category. It might be labeled as HID Compliant Mouse or Synaptics Touchpad. Right-click on this and select Disable Device from the context menu. So, that's the second method to disable the touchpad on your Windows 11 laptop. Here are a few additional tips that might come in handy. Did you know that some laptops provide a keyboard shortcut for disabling the touchpad? Usually this involves the Function key, or FN, and a specific F key. You'll recognize it by the touchpad icon on one of the F keys. Press that key in combination with the FN key, and voila, touchpad disabled. Moreover, certain laptops come with physical switches to toggle the touchpad on or off. Check your laptop's user manual or look around the touchpad area for any such switch. By following these steps, you can easily disable the touchpad on your Windows 11 laptop. Remember, you can use either the Settings app or the Device Manager. Whichever method you find more convenient. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.